So what makes a great customer experience? I really love this quote from a neuroscientist called Dr. A.K. Pradeep. He says, "It's a brand taking an entirety of an experience, isolating the points of fun and making them better, and taking the points of pain and either diminishing them or demolishing them." Now, if you think of it, the entirety of a brand experience, why I don't like talking about just good service is because when you use the terms good service from an internal point of view, it tends to make people, pigeonhole people on the 2 or 3 touch points within a greater customer experience that could be as many as 20 or 30 touch points. So just for clarity, a touch point is any point of engagement between you and your customer. It can be answering the phone, it can be an email, it can be a push notification on your app or a WhatsApp to them. It's every single point, touch point. So what I find with a lot of people is they know what their core product is, they know what their core service is, and they can deliver on those things. But the problem is, so can your competitors. And if you truly want to differentiate yourself, you need to take all those little things that would normally make it really irritating or painful and take them away or turn them into something of value. You know, what can you give your customer that would add more value? You know, we had clients, for example, that would track their ordering history of some of their top customers and give it back to them and help them pre-order stuff so they never ran out of stock. So if you think, I don't know if you're aware of the Amazon feature where Amazon can actually pre-order your groceries for you. So as the milk is finished and you take it out of your fridge, Amazon knows that your milk is finished and the order is placed for you. There's an example of a brand looking at the whole experience and saying, okay, great, it's not just about the milk. It's not just about, you know, drinking that product, but it's about how it gets to you as the customer. And I think that's the most important thing. What makes a great customer experience is when you think about every point of pain or delight within the whole entire experience.